it's Calvin's vlog and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, this is the video that I have never been into my life, but this is a vlog. And seriously,
a vlog.
Yeah, I know we're going to a jungle, you know, like kayak aku kayak di the jungle gitu loh. Oh my. Saat kita ingin menaiki gunung, maksudnya hiking, kita harus hati-hati karena kita akan gampang jatuh atau terpeleset dari gunung, dan itu susah banget kalau mau naik gunung. Jadi harus hati-hati, tetap pegangan dengan batu-batu yang ada di sana. Dan kita juga harus, maksudnya kita harus nanti kan kalau kita dinaik, misalnya dinaik ke atas, nanti kan terpeleset, nanti susah minta bantuan. Dan itu gampang ya. Dan kita juga naik gunung, tapi tidak bisa naik sampai atas karena tertutup dengan pohon-pohon. Jadi kita harus turun dari bawah, maksudnya turun dari atas ke bawah. Saatnya kita turun dari hiking. Okay guys, I just go down. And aku ada kesini dulu karena kayak agak scary gitu. And we're almost down. Yeah. Sorry kalau aku ada nutup kamera. Because for safety.
Yeah, and half of the video I literally film it. You did nothing.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry. It's fine. Yeah. Hey guys, we're in down now. Okay. We're in down now. We survived. We survived. Enggak, ya. Oh my. We survived in here.
My ankle hurts.
We survived from hiking. Oh my. Thank God. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Jessica, what do you want to say to my Jessica? What do you want to say?
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and
Subscribe.
Turn on the post notification.
Yes.
Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video.